Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of uninterruptible power supplies. Yes, that's right. We're comparing the APC UPS battery replacement RBC17, also known as the battery that keeps on giving. Because who doesn't love a good battery replacement? Against the APC BE850G2 back UPS, which sounds like a superhero, but is actually just a fancy power strip with a backup plan. Let's get ready to rumble. Grab your popcorn because this showdown is about to get charged up. First up, let's talk about price. The RBC17 comes in at a cool $56. Reviewers appreciate this budget-friendly option, with one stating that it's a great deal for a reliable battery replacement. That's less than a fancy dinner date. You could either treat yourself to a romantic evening or keep your electronics alive during a blackout. Tough choice, right? On the other side, we have the BE850G2, which will set you back $134. Reviewers mention that while it's pricier, its reliability and features justify the cost, making it a worthy investment for power backup. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution, RBC17 is your guy. But if you want to blow your cash on some extra watts, BE850G2 is here to save the day. Next, let's talk functionality. The RBC17 is all about restoring runtime. Reviewers have noted its easy installation and effectiveness in stopping the beeping noise from their battery backup, making it a hassle-free solution. It's like the battery version of Never Say Die. You can swap it out without any downtime. So while others are panicking in the dark, you'll be chillin' with your powered-up devices. Meanwhile, the BE850G2 has 9 outlets. That's right, folks, 9. Reviewers rave about its ample backup power and useful features, like USB charging ports. It's like a party for your electronics. So, functionality-wise, the BE850G2 is like your overachieving friend who not only brings chips to the party, but also offers to cook dinner. Meanwhile, the RBC17 is that reliable friend who shows up with a pizza. You know they're good, but they won't do your laundry. Now, let's talk compatibility. The RBC17 is like a universal remote. It works with a ton of models. Reviewers are pleased with the option of having a replacement battery for power outages, stating it fits well with their existing UPS systems. If you have a compatible UPS, you're in luck. It's the everyone gets a battery party, but the BE850G2 takes it a step further. It not only accepts the RBC17 battery, but also comes with its own built-in features, like a USB charger. Reviewers have noted that it's easy to set up and suitable for both home and office environments. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, instead of just a butter knife. Sure, you can spread butter, but wouldn't you rather be prepared for anything? Overall, reviewers appreciate the RBC17 for its affordability and ease of installation, while the BE850G2 is praised for its reliability and multifunctionality. Both products have their strengths, catering to different needs for backup power solutions. So there you have it, folks. The RBC17 is your budget-friendly battery replacement that keeps your UPS alive, while the BE850G2 is your powerhouse protector that keeps everything plugged in and running smoothly. In the end, it all comes down to your needs. Are you looking for a simple fix or a full-blown power backup? Either way, you can't go wrong with either of these APC products. So what's it gonna be? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our electrifying comparisons. Until next time, stay powered up and buy smart.